Just testing the sound before I start. Doesn't look like anyone is streaming today, or at least this late. Dude, what's up? Is my internet bad? Is that the issue? Dude, what's up? Is my internet bad? Oh fuck, it's I unconnected my headphones. Oh fuck, it's I unconnected my headphones. Testing 1, 2, 3, how you doing? It's like 7 seconds delay or something. Oh fuck, it's I more. Testing 1, 2, 3, how? Is the sound really low, or is it just me? How you doing? It's like 7 seconds delay. Is it? Maybe it's on sound input. This should be like 90, I remember. Okay, how is the sound now? Did it get lower? Is the sound really low? Or is it fuck you, I'm almost 1 minute behind, what the fuck? Did it get lower? Fuck you, I'm almost 1 minute behind. Okay. Yeah, today we're continuing on the or at least we start with the advent of code. So let's just set it up first. I fixed up the readme just to like make it more easier to understand. Oh fuck. Day 4. For day 4 I will need an example text. I would need part 1 .py and part 2.py, and then I will need to download this. Oh damn, it's ginormous. Fuck. Input height, yeah, replace. It might not be. Oh, it worked. Last time it didn't work for some reason. Then we go to downloads and just check that it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. Oh yeah, I also need to I think it's the where's the to do? Yeah, okay. I don't know what like if you guys like saw like ridiculous, yeah. And it's good. Yeah, this way I have everything I need. I will assume this is actually divided. Yeah, this is divided into. I kind of want to know, like, is the length 140? Is a 140 times 140 matrix or not? I started to actually look at the the task before, like, streaming this today, so I like have some ideas of what to do. Yeah, essentially I need to find every instance of Xmas. It's like one of the classic. Yeah, this is the example. Add it to the example text. Great. No, fuck. Yeah. How many times does Xmas appear? Yeah, so essentially based on intuition, there are two ways to do it. One is a one pass. No, it's not one pass through text file. Getting what is called it? I was imagining like a square. No, that's another is to multiple passes for each direction. Either that's at least my intuition that the way it works. I think I will, yeah, create a, oh fuck. I don't think I need to do it this way, do I? Yeah, looks good. I don't need to do it like this either. Day 4, let's do the example one. Print data. Yeah. I don't think I just realized something I want to check out. This is like 10. Oh, is it actually a box? Like, does it say it anywhere here? Because at least for this possibility, let's just do like this. Like, no, there will be back and forth, essentially. Back and forth for all of them, and it's based on row. Row-wise, column, diagonal-wise. I should say that this is from left to right, right, and right, left. So I'm essentially doing 8 passes if I do it this way. If I do it this way, I can evaluate on each of them. I think like to be fair, like the runtime is similar between these two. Like none of these are like better than the other one. I would think at least. Because if I do it this way, the way I imagine at least this, I will draw it for you guys. Essentially we have this let's just do like 4x4. Okay, Xmas is a bad. I should make it bigger. I can do it in the Excel to be fair. Okay, how much bigger is this? I think 3 more. Yeah, I don't have enough space. I can do like... There has to be like a easier way to do this. I think I just use Excel. Oh fuck, what happened there? So let's say we have what's the easiest way to go do this? Like 2, 1, 2, and let's make it like 10 by 10, similar to I'm going to solve this in Excel. I might actually do it pretty simply. But essentially there are a lot of like different... For each of them, I essentially check the box. Okay, is there a way to like combine them into like 1.1, 1.2, etc, etc. To be fair, it actually turned out correct. Only I can do this. Okay, let's just start it again. Okay, this is better. Can I have it not as can I have it as text? Nope, and this would be 0, and then what? How would that happen? It should be able to understand this. What the fuck is this? Okay, at least it should understand this. Based on this, it should understand what's up. No, it doesn't. No, what the fuck? One. It should be able to like understand this. Yeah. So for every of these, for instance, if it's here, the only possibilities of this being included into a correct one, let's mark it with a color. Let's just do, I think actually the orange is a nice one. So for, and this will be red as the, and the orange ones would be, so this is a possibility, and this is a possibility, and this would be a possibility. This is like when it's in the corner. And then this has to be like either the start or the, it's either X or S. Let's say like X or S, red. Plus orange. Let's now take something from the middle. Because from the middle there will be more possibilities. This is like the fewest possibilities, and there's the, oh fuck, I don't know if this is like a smart way of doing it or not. Would it be smarter for me to eliminate things already? Okay, let's say for a middle one, it's like all. Let's do green and yellow. Possibilities. So for instance, this is the... This can be whatever color it... Do I reduce it if I take the middle, so either M or A? Does that reduce anything? It does, doesn't it? Like the only issue I see with like this way of doing things is that I will check multiple. Like look at how fucking giant this is. And also I feel I'm checking way too many elements already. Yeah, look at this. This is horrible. And the worst case is like for this, it can be like these. Okay, so I need to like check for one specific element. So it's either because if it's check for something in the middle, like X, M, or A, it would produce these. No fill. It will decrease it, yeah. If I take something in the middle.
Solaris 428. Have you taken a look at the Code Chef contest? I streamed the virtual earlier.
No, sorry. I haven't been online the whole day, basically. Best viewers on viewermarket. Thank you. I assume this. What? Why would I wasn't streaming at that time? Is it like to buy viewers? Because if that's the case, I...
Solaris 428. I think you would like this problem. You can solve it https://www.codechef.com/problem/tree2sum.
I'll check it out, but I won't do it like right now. Treesome is fun. Yeah, we're gonna call 23. Okay. Okay, I think I understand like what they want me to do. Yeah, it's interesting. Like I said, I think I just need to be... Is this like the... Oh fuck, what was it called? The thing you called it? Not binary... I don't remember what it was called. One of your favorites, but yeah. I can check it out later, but I just want to like solve today's what do I call it? Oh, today's advent of code. Is there a way to do it decrease this even more?
Solaris 428. Oh, I don't even remember the advent of code of today.
Was it so easy for you that you just forgot that you did it? Because I see that the issue with this is I'm doing a lot of overlapping tasks. I don't need to do it this way.
Solaris 428. Oh no, I thought the advent of today was the one from yesterday. Solaris 428. So yet I remember it.
Okay. What was for yesterday? I almost forgot now. Yesterday it was... Oh yeah, that wasn't that bad. Today... Dude, am I doing this fucking dynamic programming there? Answer no. I can reduce it more, I would assume.
Solaris 428. Wow, you don't need DP LOL.
Yeah, but like you weren't in the stream when I was talking about it. I was talking like I have two approaches, like based on intuition. One's like one pass through the text file getting square, and I'm just like trying to like figure out like the possibilities of it. The more straightforward way will be to just like do back and forth on row wise, column wise, diagonal wise, left right and right left. To like, but I just feel like this is already like 8 passes. I don't know. I think it depends diagonal. Yeah, but it's approximately like 8 passes.
Solaris 428. I did it the second way.
Okay, but I kind of want to like see the possibilities of doing it in one pass. Like it's... I like that idea.
Solaris 428. The number of passes is a bad indicator of complexity.
It's not... I'm not that worried about complexity. It's more that like... I feel there
Solaris
are...
428.
Yeah,
one pass with 8 operations is the same as 8 passes with 1 operation.
Yeah, I said that, like exactly the same thing, like earlier in the stream, that it is the same. It's more that like I want to see like this way.
Solaris 428. Yeah, there is maybe a way to do it in one pass like you said.
But it's more like out of curiosity, like, because I know for a fact like this, like I can do it this way. It might be a slightly tedious way of doing it. Not tedious, but like it's a tedious to code. Like it's not... I might like need to bite my tongue before I say like something wrong and end up like using 2 hours on it. But it seems like a really easy
Solaris
task.
428. Well, I need to go, so see you.
Alright, see ya. What if I only check for these? No, I see an issue with that too. But I think it's smarter to use find for M or A. I think it's even smarter to find for a specific of these two. So let's just choose for M. Let's just copy this. Let's just choose for M. Oh, stupid. Why am I stupid? There. Only check for M. Like, how would this look? In the corner, it can never be the corner. if I do it this way. It's Xmas. Okay. So you find for M, it can't either be. You find, for instance, M here, it doesn't matter. And M here doesn't matter. Oh no, you can do it in reverse. Okay, yeah, fair. Then it doesn't matter if I check for M or A, but let's say M just because it's first. I can kind of ignore these, so the earliest possibility, like I didn't need to color them, the earliest possibility will be one of these. So let's do, for this, and then orange for these, right? And like this is the only possibilities. Or I can actually check for both. I feel like this is like I can do something smart here. Maybe it's not that smart. Maybe I have to go the second way, man. After later said, well, oh, I did it that way, and no, I just kind of want to do it this way now. And this might be harder. And this is like, I'll do need some fun regardless. Would a dev first search work? It might work actually. But it's also tedious, it doesn't matter, regardless. It's not, and what the fuck am I thinking? No. If I, for instance, find an M here, the only possibility is this. No other possibility can occur. Which is kind of nice, to be fair. So this is the only possibility. However, if it was here, let's put it as to create another one. Maybe I just do that. If this is the M, fuck, why do I always do that? If this is the M, then this might be correct, and this might be correct, and this might be correct. Another time, yeah. Why do I find something completely in the middle? I find this one. This is M. So this might be everything in front of it. Because am I checking the backwards too? That's a question for later, but yeah. So these, and these are, see, these. I was worried, wondering if I checked the early. I have checked the earlier ones or not. I don't think I do. So it would be extended again, and it would be the same. And I don't even check this one. Yeah, it's the same as earlier. the same as this one. And I need this too. I think like it's like pointed out, it's probably gonna be easier to do it the previous way, at least like in terms of your own brain computational power. How many elements are these? 1, 2, 3, 6, 11, 14, 17 elements. It kind of looks nice. That's also the thing I noticed. Like, oh, look at this. This is cute. And diagonals. I think that's the, oh fuck, I don't want to do it that way though. I think I will bite the bullet and do it that way. But I don't want to keep it as a list. I kind of want to keep it as a matrix. So I might do that. I think NumPy. I feel NumPy has some. Yeah, they have it. So I hate that sometimes like it doesn't obviously should remove something but don't. It's not as int, it's as string. I wanted to be split into the reason I think like I wanted to have it is this the way? Yeah, great. The reason I wanted this way is simply because I was taking into consideration the diagonals, and I know there are functions, and also column-wise, I can transpose them, and I can also like, oh, how would I do that? Rotate it 90 degrees, would that work? I know at least I can transpose and rotate it and to get the effect I want to, which is the reason I do it this way. So I want to retrieve the rows, the columns, the diagonals. From left to right and then right to left. Yeah, I think that's... should I just straight up use Copilot? Of and right. Yeah, this is the yeah, exactly. Transpose. You get columns. Diagonals. Okay. I don't need to rotate them, really? I assume I need to rotate for one of them. Maybe I don't need to. And let's check that this looks properly. Yeah, I realized that was a bad idea. Let's do one at a time. Okay. It looks like this worked, not surprisingly. Since that's the, we've had it up the easiest one, then we would do columns. Columns with MMA, MXX, MMA, MXX, SS, MM. MS, yeah, okay, I will trust this works. I'm not going to check it like every single time. I just need to like see that it works for a few. Now diagonals. This will be more interesting. Okay, let's... Oh, it actually returns all of them. I don't necessarily want that. I will call this... I think this would be... MX, what? MX... Okay, this is left to right. The first ones. So this is left to right. This is right to left. I could have two of them, but I think the easiest is have a L left to right is the dia, and right to left diags. And this would be left to right, and this would be right to left, and it should return it. It doesn't matter how I return it. Like if I return it left to right, yeah. L to R, and it should return 0. Yeah, exactly. There. So it starts at the bottom for some reason, because right to left, some MX, SAM, then SAMX, yeah. And then for the other one, oh, this I would assume starts here, and then oh wait a second. I assume this would be correct, but I realized that I didn't check it properly. Now it should be this way. Does it start? Okay, where does it start is the question. Does it start here? That's a boss. So yeah, looks like it starts there. Then some, and then awesomix. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like I have all of them. That's great to know. Should I maybe not do it this way? And just create a big ass def get all matrix, and it turns I was thinking more like this. It shouldn't be like adding, should it? Do I need to do it like this to ensure that I don't fuck up? Now I'm running it twice. Yeah, that's not necessary. Okay, let me see. Print get all. Why does... Okay, this looks better. The issue is I have no idea if this is correct or not. All data. It looks at least promising. Okay, let's do it for what? 0. This should be columns and rows, which seems appropriate. Then it's for AMX. Yeah, that looks correct. This starts at the bottom here. MX, SAM, and SAMX. Yeah. And the last one. We start at here. Oh? What? Okay, so digs. I knew like I had to do it like this. Okay. This should at least. Yeah, no, where does it start again? No, this is still 2. I should have got it the last one. X, MS, no, AMA, some mix. Yeah. Now I have all of them. Cool. Now I need a checker. I think I might use, yeah, it even knew what I needed to do. I might not, it's not the same as this one, but it's similar to this one. To be fair, it's not a checker, it's more a finder. The import, yeah, and it should be Xmas. Do I need to join them to do it this way? Can I just have it inside of here? No, I can't do that. Can I reverse a list? Yeah, I can. So we have like the normal equals to data, equals to join data and reverse. Yeah, exactly. So okay, what would it return if I do it on normal plus, yeah. So let's do a finder, yeah, finder data print. I need to print it. Expected string instance num. Okay, so that's not the way to do it apparently. Why isn't this the way to do it? Like, why can't I join them? Do I need to do the for line in? Oh, because I haven't gotten the pass equals to get all of data, and then let's do pass of. Really? No, it should be for all of them. Or is this incorrect? Yeah, this is incorrect. I need to give it for. I kinda don't want to do that way. Yeah, it finds one instance. Which I can also check. Yeah, it does. Nice. I want to iterate through all of them. Okay, for normal, it's for row in not that's it, from list in data. No, that's not what I want. Temp. I don't need to do if, do I? Do I? To be fair, I kind of like it this way. It kind of found like what I wanted. I want to test it on something that's in reverse order. See, this is in reverse order. So let's do it for, it was the first one. They should also return 1. Yeah. Let's find one where there aren't. It doesn't look like there are anyone in the third one. Exactly. Boom. Yeah, I could do it. Do I do in like multiple for loops? Is there an example where it's both like, I think they highlighted it in the code of Advent. Yeah. The 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4th should be 2. 4th, wasn't it? Exactly. Fuck yeah. I can do like, okay. For direction in pass, for line in, I don't need to print it. Count plus equals to len of finder line. Print count. Yeah, this looks good. 18. I think that was actually correct. It's 18. Fuck yeah. Then let's do it for input. And hope like this code isn't so ineffective that the... Yeah, that seems like a number. Boom. Part 2. Looks to your miscellaneous and looking for you flip over the X mass puzzle in which you are supposed to find 2 mass in the shape of an X. One way to achieve it is like this. The camera has already been replaced for okay. Same that from before, by the time all of the X masses. Oh, it's so, oh fuck you. It took some time before I like realized what's happened. Yeah, I think this is actually easier. This might be easier than part 1. This is so much easier because then my plan of this works. Find every instance of, okay, I will show you like what I mean by like this would work. Part 2, and let's do it here. Oh, pardon me. And I will add it here. Oh, isn't this lovely? Why did I sound British now? Oh. Because I just need to find the A, so. Okay, we can't eliminate it. But I was like, okay, we can eliminate all of this, but no. We can eliminate like these. That's for a fact we can eliminate. Essentially, I'm looking for crosses. Yeah, I'm just looking for crosses. So, yeah, exactly. Like if this, for instance, is the correct one, I'm just looking at. So if if this is correct, like if okay, what is it? It's mass essentially, so this has to be an A. if this is the M, this has to be an S, and vice versa, and same for these. So I just need, oh, that's, yeah, so essentially that's what I was thinking here. I think generally part 1 was more difficult than this. Just find all of them. Before I leave. And comments. Por favor, now. This looks great, actually. Yeah. I'm just checking, verifying it worked. Yeah, it did. Okay, for the next one, I think this is generally easier. Like I said. Intuition there. Find A's and check the corners. Easier than previous one. Okay, import numpy as b. The wanted as a matrix. I don't even need to have it as a matrix. Do I? Like, out of curiosity, like, I'm not that like familiar with if init shouldn't like this have if name is main. Okay. Oh, fuck! That was impressive. Find all A's. Dude, did it actually? Did it just solve it for me? Just because I wrote it like this? Oh, I don't forget understand what happened there. But yeah, print. Hey, yeah, I just want to see like what happens. What does it print out? Let's do it for example first. Just verifying that it is probably the same. Yeah, it is exactly the same. It's supposed to give me 9. Okay. Because I just want to see the data, to be fair. Well, like, if I do like 0, 0, does this return M? It does. Fuck yeah. Then we have it. So for I in yeah, exactly. Do I like the need to do this? I'm not trying to find. I understand what like I'm missing. Check the corners. It's not checking the actual corners. But yeah. Okay, and then do a counter. Count equals 0. Okay, so if I equals A, first we need to check like we need to check -1 -1. No, not 0. +1 and 1 -1. These are the directions we need to check. So and I is greater than 0, greater or equals to 0. No, it can't be. It has to be greater than 0. And greater than and less than data shape -1. Yeah. Boom. Then I check all of these. No, why did I do that? Oh, this wasn't that bad, to be fair. Do I want to just make... Let's just print IJ. Just like see it works. Fuck yeah. Are there 17 possibilities in this? Like this wouldn't... This is fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. Wasn't that what I had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Great, then I found all the possibilities. That was much easier than expected. Now I had to do another if. What's the easiest way of doing it? Because like I can't check it for every single one, like check. Is there a way I can combine it? Like I know what to do. Like I want to check like if this is M, then this has to be S. If this is a, and vice versa. This is like a smart way of doing it instead of like checking if this is M, then this is S. It has to be like a smart way of doing it. If this is M, then this has to be S. Because I can do it with like 4 conditions. I kind of want to not do that. So let's create a def check corners of I and J. No, that's not it. So let's check like for the left right corner. Left to right. And this is right to left. 8. Okay, if data, this is left to right, yeah, equals m, or data of I minus 1, j minus 1 equals to s. See, like, there has to be a better way of doing it. Okay, I know. And I plus 1 equals to s, or the reverse. Equals to s, and this equals to m. I feel I can combine it. Like if and this looks promising, yeah. Return true. This is, I don't like it to do this way. If check corner, yeah, can't count. 9. Wasn't it supposed to be 9? It was supposed to be 9. Oh, oops. And then we would do it for input. This looks promising. Yeah. I'm not that happy with like how I ended the code though. Okay. I feel like I can't combine things. I'm just like not smart enough. Okay. Yeah, this didn't work. It was a promising thing. It did not work. How the fuck does this happen? I just want to like make this cleaner, essentially. Maybe there's no point. To be fair, it works, and I just don't like the way I've done this. This looks great. Yeah, to be fair, that's, I don't need to do that in depth. Yeah, I think this is fine. Finished. Yeah, I think this looks good. I like the structure. Do I actually need to? No, I don't need to do that. Yeah, I think this looks great. Thanks for today. I assume because I was so late that everyone, yeah, obviously. Do we feel like if I... Nah, I was like, could I make it to the top if I'm like consistent with timing? Maybe. That's baller. That's actually a baller move. Oh. Damn, I suck. I fucking suck. Oh, to be fair, it's more that I didn't use all of this time, to be fair. Yeah, I was gonna look at the calendar. Look how nice it's becoming. Like this time just doesn't fit me. Like it would be 6 in the morning here. I'm not going to be able to code 6 in the morning here. But look at this, so nice. I knew this was gonna be a Christmas tree, but I'm like, oh, it's like a mistletoe. I worry about this. But yeah, looks great. Let's check out today's problem. It's been a track of pretty easy problems, which makes me happy because like I'm able to do them. In the operation, you select a set of indices in string for each increment to the next. Okay. To return true, it's possible to make string to a subsequence by performing at most once. Okay. Known by deleting some, possibly none of the characters without disturbing the relative position. Index 2 in string going to become D. At most once. Oh, you can do it to all of them at least, at most once. Okay, cool. I feel this is going to be like order, do some order of order of x minus order of a type shit. Okay, it is not that simple as one would assume. I think, like, okay. Pardon. I did the oopsie. Like, this is like for char. Okay, for x in string 1. X equals to for int string 1. I still haven't like figured out how to use order. I just know about it. Yeah, I just know about it. How does order work? Yeah. Yeah. Let's call it, just make a temp list. I just want to see like how this looks. Print temp. Oh, it's not, oh man. Would this work then? No, it didn't work. Temp append. I just want to see how like this works. And that is actually correct. So fuck yeah. 25. Okay, so modulo 25. Now to 26. I know that I need to do some modulo shit. Mod 26 shit, because it's English alphabet. I know they're all lowercase. Yeah. 2-pointer. Isn't it more of a sliding window? I thought it would be more of a sliding window. At most once. How do I do it the easiest way? Now I see how the 2-pointer comes in now. And we know for... But isn't it... maybe it's not sliding window, actually. Let's not call it temp. I don't like it as temp. Hash? I don't know if I like hash either. Restaurant 1, cool. Yeah, I think a 2-pointer is the correct answer to it. Oh fuck, my back is killing me. I had a pretty rough leg day today, so like, oh, my back is killing me. It's not legs, it's more like lower body. And dude, I was so fucked. It's been really awfully quiet, but it's because it's late. I kind of like it. Like, I don't think anyone will watch my VODs that much, but I actually enjoy being alone and practicing for myself, because it's not that people are judgmental. It's just like sometimes I just want to do my own shit, and then others like, oh, do this, say this, blah 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 blah, and I'm like, fuck. I kind of feel obligated to do it because like they taking the time to teach me something. But sometimes I just want to like learn it on my own and just like do my own thing. You get me? Okay, this is for, let's call it hash1, and to be fair, it's better to initialize everything in the correct order. For y in string 2, of y minus order of a. Cool. Now we have these. No, I have these two. For e in range of hash1, len of hash1, and then we have a pointer for hash. I can be bothered. If hash of I equals to hash of pointer, pardon me, or hash of 1 equals to I plus 1 equals to hash of 2 pointer. I see a possible issue, so I will just solve it before I get into it. One is less than len of string 1, or len of hash1 to be fair. Okay, if they are the same, then pointer, okay, this is pointer for 2. If they are the same, pointer 2 plus equals 1, and pointer 1 plus equals 1. It should just return true, yeah. If pointer 2 equals to len of hash 2, return true. Oh, this might be an issue if it's the last possible one. Do I need to do like pointer of hash 2? Pointer 1 plus equals 1. Return len of hash 2 pointer 2 equals to. Oh, I don't use an I. I'm stupid. No. Ah, fuck. I need to do mod 26. Mod 26, I would assume. No? Wouldn't this be 26 and then return to 0? Or is it actually 25 I need it? Can it either be 25? Do I need to go less? No. Because it should become 20. It should be 26 to be fair. I don't need to print it though. But I will kind of... What is like hash of 0 plus 1 modulo 26? Shouldn't that be 0? It is 0. Print hash of, let's see, pointer to 1, 2. I realized like it never gets there. Oh, yeah, so this is correct. It's the last one that's incorrect. What the fuck? It's probably because it doesn't iterate to the end, I would assume. If pointer equals, is that... No, so I don't think it's there. Is it +1? I don't think that's the correct one. I think this will be out of line. Yeah, exactly. I assume like the last one is the one that fucks up. It's something dumb, I know it for a fact. I like assume like this would have solved it. I don't see like it's only 1. But why isn't that correct? Oh, because it iterates twice. Because I don't need this. Boom. Yeah. It's out of line, so I assume this is the issue. DM, haha. Boom. Oh, it's a really bad runtime. Is it just my computer or is it actually that bad? Yeah, it's just bad. What is a good solution then? That's so much cleaner. That's so much better. This is so much cleaner. I kind of like. Which one was that? Nah. I mean, this was one. Yeah, this was the one I liked. Because I wasted too much time creating those when I didn't need to do it. Yeah. Because we know it will never be negative because of modulo. Ah, fair. Why is it in a different color? I'm starting to get a lot of like what's a good amount of sold before like considering yourself proficient? I think I'm doing too many easy. I also have a lot of Leetcode that I haven't like showed. What is this? Channel dashboard. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I remember what I was supposed to do. Just like do some cleanup. I don't need this evaluator. I think this is nice to have, and I think this is nice to have. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this. This is template side. This is, I think these were actually pretty nice to have. Maximum twin sum things. And I will show you something that I don't know if I still have access to. It's probably in history. Grouped history, probably? No, not grouped history. It's a long time now. Oh damn. It's like, oh, what should I search on? It's like grad at least. Yeah, these. I just wanted to check, like, okay, this is by. Yeah, I haven't been in something in a while. How about new grad positions? Same thing. It's like, oh, to be fair, this is actually pretty new. No, Spotify. I want to work at Spotify. work at Twitch. That would be fun. But I know there's like a new grad, Europe or worldwide. Is it this one? Yeah, international. Exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, there are still things that are. It's not. To be fair, some of them are really starting to get old. I remember seeing. I remember checking out, like, probably this was the last one. Cool. Yeah, but let's just continue on the template side. like I'm not able to see it though. Let's do a fluid cycle detection. Yeah. Great. Oh, it's lowercase, pardon. It's not gonna do it for me. I was like zooming. Oh. Boom. It should be. And the fine middle. Yep. Damn, this is so nice to have Copilot doing this for me. And I want another example. Yeah. It should not return true, should it? Oh, no, it should. I want an example where it doesn't do it. I like this better, so let's just keep it as this node 3. And it should return .val. Is that what I want? I would assume so. Because this doesn't have a val. It should be like this. And it is correct. It is referring to list node 2. Great. Great, great, great. I want to check the find middle. I can do the find middle here. Print as find middle. Great. Which is correct. Okay, I think this is good to go. I think I will remove this for now and add it to do. Create duplicate with more comments and explanations. Doing. I think this is done. It's a long time since I've done like the markdown. Okay, linked list I have done. Yeah. Yeah, this looks good. Let's do it for... Yeah.
Solaris 428. What's up?
What up? Welcome back. Like I said, I'm just creating the template for myself. And I'm using Copilot to make this like
Solaris
so much.
428. Damn, no one showed up when I was AFK.
Nope. You don't need to rub it in my face. Fuck you. No. What other things can I do for 2-pointers?
Solaris 428. Oh, that's because your stream is in no category, so people can't find it.
Really? I haven't changed anything, so I don't understand why it wouldn't.
So people can't Solaris 428. You should put it into the software and development category.
No, it I don't remember, like I have had it there before. I don't know what happened. That's weird. Like I haven't touched this. Weird. Thanks for noticing. But like I said, I talked about it earlier. Like I don't care about like getting a lot of followers. I'm like, this is absurd already. Having 10 people, like I know you have like a few hundred, but like this is absurd for me. And like I said, I'm not like, I think like if I have too many viewers, I will be too overwhelmed. I like the balance I have now. Like, yeah. Anyways, let's continue on this. What?
Solaris 428. But isn't it better when you can at least communicate with people and have an active chat?
I think, yeah, obviously it's better to have someone to communicate with, but I also enjoy like some of the quiet times. So I would rather be like at this level I am now. I noticed like when there's a lot of people watching me, it's not stress. It's just like I have a tendency to like lose track of what I'm doing because I feel obligated to like answer everyone's questions about different things, and sometimes they will ask me something that like takes away my attention, and I'm really bad at my attention span, and I feel obligated because like a lot of people have like, for instance, like you have helped me a lot and I really appreciate it, and I don't want to be like rude by not acknowledging your message. But sometimes it's also nice to just focus on one single thing, and like for instance this, just a simple thing I do, just like I don't need to think that much, especially since I also have Copilot. So a lot of, yeah, it's more like for my own time, if that makes sense. And the reason I also started streaming was that I am notorious bad at like keeping, like being consistent. Like sometimes I will like grind Leetcode for a week all by myself and do great, and suddenly I have a week where I don't do anything. When I'm streaming, I feel more obligated to stream consistently every day, even though it's not like a long time, sometimes just like 2 hours per day. But that helps me at least improve so much more than I did before. Essentially what I did before was like, like prepping before an exam. That's what I did. I did it always like right before an interview, like 1 week before an interview, grind, done with the interview.
Blatant placer. Best viewers on megaviewers.online. At PQVWKFS0.
Yeah, I assume like these are bots that try to like get me to like it's funny that it showed up now as I just told them I don't want more viewers.
Solaris 428. Yeah. Spam bots.
I noticed one like after you left. The same here. How do I like ignore them?
Solaris 428. Yeah, the less you have viewers, the more likely they will pop from my experience.
But that's interesting. This is like one of the first, like today and yesterday
Solaris
was the first time I saw it.
So that's also a reason to keep some viewers.
Fair. That's a good reason actually. Yeah. But that might
Solaris 428.
be bot repellent.
Bot repellent.
Imagine telling the only reason you want viewers is because you want the bot repellent. I've been also debating these past few days if I just gonna ignore TTS, like disable TTS completely. I know you doing it, and you talked about some spam bots because also. So I don't know if because I kind of like when talking. I don't know.
Solaris 428. I think the best thing would be to do a TDS command.
Yeah, but you can see like, because I think it's because I can't, like, I want to do the reverse of this essentially. Because I am sure there are easy way to do it. It's just like
Solaris 428. Is there a way to only trigger TDS when you type TDS?
It's basically, at least not in restream chat. I don't see the possibilities of doing that. How does compact mode look? Oh, I kind of like that more. I'd kind of like this more. Damn, so there is. It's only you. Okay, I was like, keep it as is.
Solaris 428. Solaris 428. I am the top viewer on this channel yet.
Yeah,
I am the top viewer on this channel yet.
Okay, now, oh, because I have both of these open, it will repeat itself. Maybe this is actually better. And I will get notification, I will check them. Echo. But yeah, this might be a better way of doing it. So now I turn it off. But the only problem I have then is that I feel things get too quiet. Is there a way to play music in the background that are copyright free? Because I notice when I play music on my screen, you guys hear it a lot too. Oh, I can do this. Yeah, exactly. And I can also just read this if it's not too long. Yeah, I think this is the way I'm gonna do. But now, is there a way to, like, if I add, because this is from a mic and this is from a desktop, can I like, I don't need filters. Yeah, I don't like that. Oh, okay, that was better. Properties, like, Because I kind of want to like listen to music then, or else it's like too quiet. I think the easiest way, the way I solved it was like I eventually gave up on my idea of doing it like, yeah. I ended up doing like this way, like checking all the diagonal rows and columns, and just doing for each of them. However, part 2 I kind of did the way I wanted to do it, but for this it was also so much easier. So I think part 2 was so much easier than the first. The editor just knew what I typed. What? Oh yeah. It's called Copilot. It saved my life. It's so fucking amazing. I will show you like. Yeah, exactly. I think part 2 was so easy. It was like yeah, it's AI. I can show you like some cool features of it. Let's say I want to do. Let's create. What should I create for? Why don't I have? Okay, let's create it for sliding windows. Yeah, same. The same thing I did. You can see in part 2 is like, this checker is kind of fucked though. But yeah, essentially like I check. Yeah, this checks like first I check just like that this is between. This is correct, and then I do check corners. It's pretty simple. But yeah, what I was supposed to do was do a sliding window. Let's do it for fixed variable size of pi. So normally okay, what do I do normally? Yeah. So I can create a class. I should do it slightly below, and it's fixed. And boom, look at this. This is like what's happening. I didn't code this, I just pressed fucking tab and they did it for me. And then I had to verify that it's correct or not. And I can also do it like if name, do I need to do it equals to, no, it's fuck, isn't it? Not necessary, often or not, it will actually return the correct thing. Which is like, whoa. But I was trying to show you, like, why if... No, it normally works. I don't know why it doesn't. Okay, for instance, for this, def find min. Normally, like, this works. If you, like, sometimes it would understand by context. Like, for instance, I call it fixed variable size. You would know, like, oh, it's a sliding window problem. But you need to verify, like, a lot of times it will be wrong because it would assume something. But if it's wrong, you fix it. Like, you still need to understand what the code is doing. You just don't need to do a lot of the but I'm actually annoyed that this doesn't create the if. Oh, boom. Yeah, it should. Normally it's better. Oh, it's more that in a fixed variable size, a sliding window, like the window is always the same size, while for a variable, no, that isn't called. I think it's called fixed variable size. Yeah, it's not fixed variable. I'm so sorry. That was my mistake. But what is it called? I remember like seeing it on. I think it was. Yeah, I was thinking of a fixed variable, not that the sliding window is a variable. It's just like a yeah. Give me a second. It's here. And if I use sliding window variable size. Okay, I will fix this. I'm sorry. Please don't hate me. Sliding window fixed size. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, so okay, I don't know like what the minimum would be in this case. This is a minimum, okay, this is 6. Yeah, I would assume that's the minimum, and the maximum I would assume is either this or this. Okay, 9, 11. This is 9, okay, doesn't matter. And we can test it out. Yep. But I don't want an init, to be fair. I don't want... Oh, to be fair, it normally are a k. I need a k at least. And I also need the arguments. Yeah, to be fair, this is a nice init. What else do I need? What else do I need for... But yeah, this is like general templates. Then we can do it for sliding... Oh, damn. Sliding... though variable size .py class sliding. Sometimes like it, because like I use it as a more of a tool. Like I don't think it, like sometimes like it doesn't work at all. A sliding non-slippery window with fixed what? A sliding non-slippery window with a fixed variable slide. So variable sized. Are you making fun of May? Give me a second. Def init. Yeah, this is not def init. It will take a self arg. Yeah. I can try to do it. And let's just do it. Okay, I don't know where it goes there, but oh no, it's correct. For Solaris.py. I can even show you the even easier thing to do. Is Control I, isn't it? Control, yeah. Create a class. That is a segment tree from scratch. I don't know how a segment tree works completely, so yeah. And this, like, I don't know, I can't like verify if this is correct or not. So you can look at it and think like, oh, What do you think of this? But yeah, let me fix this one. Yeah, but like I said, it's not perfect. There are a lot of like the issues with it. So you need to know how things works yourself. It's like it's similar to like all of AI. It's just a tool. So for like simpler things, like for instance, like things I know for a fact, like I think this was a good example. Not this. Yeah, the Floyd detection. Like I know how to find the middle. I know it's like I know like these codes, these formulas, like in and out. I know without like even thinking. So like when I saw this, like instead of me writing all, yeah. So it's never use it for like, I know a lot of people do it. Never like they use it for like doing everything because they don't know how to do something, and that's a bad thing. Yeah, definitely. This has been on the market for a long time though. I am almost surprised you haven't heard about it like in your studies. And I think I have a healthy relationship with it in terms of like I use it mainly as a tool, but if sometimes like it will not even register that I'm asking it to help. Yeah. But yeah, like I have sometimes like it doesn't work at all because that might be the issue. Then I will do all of this and press this button and modify using Copilot. Yeah. Please create another one that creates it from well, for top down. Yeah, we can test with some arrays. We can do that. Normally, if I yeah, exactly. If does this look good? Yeah, damn. But like for a lot of these algorithms that are widely like used, it will like it's good at that. But for a lot of other things, it's not that great. But like I said, you need to know it yourself. Like I can't like for me, I would never like even run this. It should print a sum for the query engine. Yeah, let's test it. It didn't print anything. Or because I haven't saved it. Yeah. I don't know if you can verify it like quickly, but like I got 5, 12, and 22. I feel like I'm opening Pandora's box for you. You like finding this and like, oh my god, how can... But like I said, it's great at things that are widely available on the internet. Yeah, like things that are like standard algorithms. It's great at like doing. And often, like if I write an if sentence, it will normally know what the else sentence should be. Like what I should like based on what I return. And often, sometimes I think it will happen on... I think it was... And another thing that it's great at... Okay, yeah, sure. But I just wanted to say something that's great at that I always use it. It's great at writing comments and docs, so I don't need it. It's just so much simpler to have it, like, because like obviously I know how to write comments and docs. I just don't want to do it. and this would do it automatically for me. Yeah. A segment tree that finds the max. What is max? Max seg tree. But then you always have to double check because you can't trust exactly, and that's like yeah. Now we have a max one. Like I said, I don't know if this is correct or not, and sometimes it would like fuck up with the indentation, but that's like a small issue. Oh. No, fuck, sorry. Yeah. So we have a new class. I should actually do I think I'm actually going to do, create these things. Max seg tree pi, and just like put this shit in. So I boom, and I will rename. Sorry, I will not call it for Solaris anymore. I will just call it segment tree. But yeah, we can see this. Looks goodish. Yeah, but exactly that's the problem. It's generally it looks good-ish, but it's not necessarily always correct, and that's like, yeah, I was doing on but yeah, but still, generally you should like always be careful. But like I said, it's great at understanding like basic. Sorry, my ear is scratching. Like understand basic algorithms. Even though they are difficult, they are just difficult in terms of human understanding. But for a computer, that's really simple for them. But yeah, I know a lot of friends who like fell in the trap of like only using this, and they are not able to code anymore, and they are severely lacking in that department. Well, and this is not like a bragging, it's just like I, who did not use this as much, am still able to code a lot of like basic things. Yeah. So like I don't use it as much as like I know other people are doing. But I, like just to point out, this is also like a lot of big companies, and not even big, just normal companies, they want you to use it because it's a great tool. It's more efficient. Instead of me writing all of this, which would, even if I knew like how to write it perfectly, it will still take a few minutes. But this way is like, that took 10 seconds or something. But yeah, we can run this and see if would you say this looks correct? Like I said, I don't know how a segment tree is working. I think you have had enough time to check it out. Boom, boom. Yeah, this is incorrect. See? Example. This is incorrect. It returns something fucked up. That's not what I wanted. But that's what I got. Then, fuck yeah, it worked. But yeah, like, I'm not worried that you will fall for the curse because you're like already this good at these like complex algorithms, so I'm not worried about you. It's just like in case someone else like watches the stream or even a video like from the past and suddenly sees this tool and be like, wow, this is amazing. Like, don't fall for it. It's a great tool, but that's exactly what it is. It's just a tool. Yeah, exactly. And that's what essentially what this do. It creates a template for you. But you still need to like know what's happening to ensure it's correct. But this is incorrect. Isn't it? It's like what you could use when you know you want a standard but can't find a template for. Exactly. But yeah, I think I'm still connected. This is the Copilot. Yeah, and you can. I don't know like how well you use Visual Studio. Like if you use all different extensions, because there are so many extensions that help you. These are the two. This is the chat, and it's made by GitHub, so it's not like something. I can't live without them. I need my extensions. I even have okay, I don't have it on this computer, but in my internship, as a joke, I installed a fucking Subway Surfer extension that would play Subway Surfer like videos on repeat for like ever. So there are extensions for everything. But my point is like you can do so much with it. Like a lot of these things are, for instance, like I don't need with this, it will create like format everything correctly instead of me like caring about, oh, this has to be indentation, the indentation of this is wrong or whatever. This does it for me. Or possibly I would assume so, actually, to be fair. But yeah, a lot of these are not like, a lot of these are just the basic languages that I install, and other is like it's for syntax things, and then we have the AI bots, and apart from that I don't have like a lot of like weird things, if that makes sense. I have something like AI for especially for testing and reviewing code. This is like just like make things like, this is a small change. It's not a big thing. It's just like, oh, if I have a CSV, it will change color and make it easier for me to like see exactly, oh, this is the genre, this is the director, essentially. And some are like for tools. Yeah, and I can have Docker. I haven't used Docker for a while. I can even have a GitHub pull request one. There's so many extensions that are great, and some I can't live without because, or else I would go mad. But this is incorrect. It's not necessarily incorrect, to be fair. Would I do it for Define Max? I wouldn't do it. Wait until Copilot gets updated and Copilot generated code. To be fair, I wouldn't be surprised if that's the case. Copilot GitHub. and yeah, you have different plans. Like the one I use, I think it's with like it costs money, but the one I use is free. Because I do it through my school. At least I did it with my school, and I haven't seen like something I did. I just downloaded basically everything that my school provided for me free, and this is one of them. It like normally it costs money, but in companies they will pay for it. It's not even that expensive for a big company if it can make things so much quicker. Yeah, and I know like you can even do it like even more advanced, like specifically for your enterprise or business. Yeah, exactly. But that was my point. Like I don't know if you noticed I paused on some places where I didn't need to pause, because generally when I code, for instance on this, I just start coding, and if it shows up, I would just press tab. And sometimes I will like read through it. So I completely agree that like if you, it is simply a tool to make things quicker, not a tool to take over your own ability to code. Like I said, like for the segment tree and the max segment, I would never do this because I don't know how, like I haven't understood these things. I don't know what's happening here. Okay, I kind of know, I kind of understand like what's happening, but still, like I have the rule: if I'm not able to code something on my own, I will need to learn it before using Copilot. And you can also disable it easier. Yeah, disable completion or yeah, and you can also add your own shortcuts. But yeah, that was more or less my little talk about the great usage of Copilot and where you will like as you said, like Parmesan has talked about it. Like, no, dude, I haven't had time. I'm still, like I said, I just want to do like something, create the templates, not think too much, and just have not fun, but just like fix things. The issue is like this isn't exactly what I want. It's not incorrect by itself. But this is like another use case I would use it for. Yeah, but I kind of agree with you. That's yeah. That was also the reason why I didn't have like in my README. Like I did like in before you started, I didn't even have this folder because I didn't think I would need one. I also feel the same about queues and stacks because like I'm hoping that there are like specific algorithms that like that are not like for instance depth first search or breadth first search that also uses like queue and stacks, and they're like famous for being a stack algorithm or a queue algorithm. That's the reason I want them. But I completely agree with you, like a sliding window is kind of redundant. But yeah. Yeah, that's also true. Yeah. I would like to see like how would a template. Oh no, this is not what I get. So for this, it struggles to understand what I want. I can prompt more, or I can just create it myself. And I might just create it for myself. Mm-hmm. I like this too. But I will call it template. Sliding. Let's just call it fixed size, since I want fixed size. Fixed size. Pardon. Size template. Why does it take? Oh, like some, yeah. Exactly. I think this is a great way of doing it. Now, yeah, I forgot about data. Should I create a new one just specifically for this? I might actually do that. Okay, I didn't want it to take over though. Fuck you. I kinda liked it the previous way. Yeah, see, now this is just completely fucked. I almost like this even more as the main one. Where are you? rotates the vessel. But to be fair, like you said, like I'm never going to use this template. It was just like I thought about the topics, but I agree with you that this is kind of redundant. That like you should just know how, like it's not a complex concept, and you kind of need to learn it, like outside of a template. Like you would never think, oh, yeah, you would never like think, oh, I need to use a sliding window fixed size. Wait a second, let me get my templates. It's just like, it's just a concept essentially. And not as much as an actual algorithm that needs a template. But to be fair, it actually worked pretty well. But yeah, I don't want to waste too much time on these. Now oh, you can also, I forgot to tell you, when you mark something, the question is specifically for that part. So you can just like isolate everything. I kinda can't be bothered to do so much more. And this is not what I wanted, but like my point is at least standing. That's yeah, this is not what I wanted. This is just a normal, this is a fixed size. Isn't it? Yeah, it's a fixed size. It's better, but it's still not like what I wanted. But yeah, I will say that this is done. I can't be bothered with doing this more. Okay, let's see. I think I've checked this working. Sliding window. I will add this later when I get to there. I can even do a sec. Yeah. Yeah. Not so chat. Yeah, this looks fucking amazing. Yeah, let's say this is good enough for now. What should be the git message on this? Initial commit. I think it's bad to call this first commit. It's add the template for sliding window, linked list, etc. This is also a bad way of like doing it. Oh fuck. That was a mistake. Now I did the oopsie. Now it's gonna, you will see my git history, gonna look so bad. Fuck. See, look how much clean the README became. I don't think I have an MIT license, to be fair. I can get one. It's not an issue. Where's the license? I think the easiest way is just removing it, because it's incorrect. And to be fair, I don't care if... I think this is also redundant. Normally I don't like to commit so much, but this is my own personal template, so I don't care how like the git message... Yeah, but the main reason I do it this way is like, it kind of follows like what I know and what I don't know. Wait a second. Oh, because they're empty. It kind of follows like my own progression. I know there are templates out there that I can use, but this is like a lot of this. Yeah, exactly. You showed me this before, and that was slightly some of the inspiration for me doing it. Firstly, it's just nice to have a more... I think that was one of the first things you introduced me to. But generally, it's nice to have like more in your repertoire at your GitHub. you see more. It's a lot of times when you apply for jobs, they will ask for your GitHub. So they would never check anything. It's just like knowing you have it, and it's like at least maintained well enough with like things that are. A lot of these are private, so they wouldn't even see this. I might actually make this public. Same with this. Yeah, Texas Hold'em. Maybe not have this public, to be fair. Yeah, sure. But like I said, generally it's not needed. Don't worry about it if you like. I almost wrote a J. Yeah, like don't worry about it. Like, don't force yourself to do it. Like, if you don't have one, you don't have one. Simple as that. But I have like generally I just like to keep things saved. Like, instead of keeping it on my computer, things I've done, I can just keep it on GitHub, because they're no value to me on my own desktop. Like, and the value is that I want to use it. Then it's even easier if it's on GitHub, because a lot of times I can just git clone them. Yeah, just generally have things on your GitHub is, at least it doesn't hurt you, is my point. It never hurts you to do it that way. But I think it's time for at least a break. I'm slightly tired right now, but I'm not sleepy. So maybe I'm sleepy. Maybe I will end the stream, and then if I want to stream more, I will do it later. Most likely you're going to bed. That's the reason like I say it this way, in case like I figure out, yeah, in case like I figure out like I'm too tired to continue streaming after a break, like I've done like the previous 2 days, and then just end the stream right after a break. I think that's like pointless. But yeah, see ya. Thanks for joining once again, Solaris. Today has been a really chill day. Really nice day for me. Even though I haven't done a lot. It's just been fixing up a template. Oh, maybe I should add this before I leave. Yep. I think this is good. Yep, see ya. Thanks for the day.